I've played for people at retirement homes that will come over to me with tears in their eyes and say, I haven't heard that since I was a little boy. I had a man take my hands and kiss my hands. Uh, how can you duplicate that? How can you put a price on that? It's worth everything. So I am blessed. I am blessed that I could bring this kind of happiness to people. I'm a doctor. Music is therapeutic. I could go to a retirement home and see people brought in their wheelchairs and so forth and so on, and look like they're, you know, half gone. By the time I finish with them, they're clapping their hands, they're stamping their feet, they're singing along with me. What can I say? What more is there to add? It's worth everything.